Introducing the 2008 Toyota Camry. Current value estimated $5,000. Oh yeah.
This luxury bungalow is a custom-built home with a total of over 6,000 square feet of living space altogether. My clients have just purchased this home, and the craziest part is that they have yet to see this home in person. Hi, my name is Koukun and I run a real estate team here in the Niagara region. If you're interested in working with us, there's a link in the comments below. Let's get started. If you're new to our channel here, check out our free beginner's guide to investing in the Niagara region in the comments below. My clients are moving to the Niagara region from another province, and because of all the COVID restrictions and lockdowns, we decided to start their search for them virtually. Basically, I would go on their behalf to see any homes that fit their criteria and film a private tour for them to view. Now, when I first discussed with these clients about the type of home that they wanted to purchase, one of their key concerns was that they wanted as much of the home to be accessible on the main floor as possible. They didn't want to have a second story that they'd have to climb up the stairs to get to. The only catch was that this home was originally listed for $1,875,000, which was way higher than their budget. Now, my clients wanted a really spacious and updated kitchen. This kitchen features custom maple cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a professional gas range. So we waited to see how the market would react to this home. We waited and we waited until a total of 111 days had passed. No offers. At this point, the seller decided to do a price reduction to $1,825,000. Now, at this point, we were getting closer, but we still decided to wait to see if any other offers would come on the place. Now, just 2 days later, they did another price reduction, this time to $1,750,000. Now, at this point, we were really close to what my clients were willing to pay after the $125,000 price reduction. At this new lower price, we decided to put in our offer starting at $1,650,000, with the hope that we could negotiate back and forth and end up somewhere in the middle at around $1.7 million. That last price reduction though brought in quite a bit more interest, and within a couple hours we got the news there were 2 other offers on the property. Before we get into the rest of the story, I really want to show you this backyard. Follow me. Now, originally, my clients wanted a home that didn't necessarily have a lot of land to take care of. However, after seeing this home, it fit all of their other requirements, and the bonus is that when it comes to property appreciation, having a generous lot size is a big bonus in the long term, because the structure of the home will deteriorate over time, but the land will always appreciate in value over the long term. Now, because of the number of deals we've done as a team, we've been in countless multiple offer situations and many times on the buying side of the transaction. So we knew exactly how to guide our clients to win the bidding war. Now, since our clients were in a very strong financial position, we decided to not have a financing condition, and we even reduced the inspection condition, which is typically for 5 business days, only to 3 business days. And in terms of the purchase price, we decided to go in with our best foot forward and go in at that 1.7 million mark, which was the number that we wanted to end up at after the negotiation back and forth. A few hours later, we got the call. Our offer has been accepted. Woohoo! And the craziest part is my clients still haven't seen the home yet. Oh wait, we still haven't seen the basement. Come on, let's check it out.
You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through the other side. Break on through to
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And what do you think? Should I upgrade my Camry? Should I save up for a house like this? Or should I just go on a really nice vacation? Let me know in the comments below. See you guys.